I took a trade on crash on the index, so I'll be putting you guys through how I was able to get these entries, and we are still fresh in the trade basically, and the trade is running up in good profits. So I'll be putting you guys how I was able to get into this trade on crash 500 index. So starting for the higher time frame, that's the daily time frame, or basically the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that the market has been in the long-term downtrend, and at this point, at this particular level, there is actually no zone in this zone. Like there's no previous zone at this point. Like it's matching up with this current price level. There's no previous zone to say that this is the low of the market, or this is where the market is bouncing off because this is a support level or something like that. Yeah, but still I'm seeing that the market is kind of trying to give us a little pullback from this zone, like a little bounce off from this level. So let's actually go to the daily time frame. So in daily time frame, you can see that the market has been a channel for some time now. Basically, market has been in this descending channel. So on the formation of this descending channel, we got a breakout of this descending channel on a daily time frame. So we got the breakout, then we are kind of getting a retest back this channel. So we have a level basically at this point at which the market bounce off back on, like at a level of retest, a possible level of retest. But in this zone, the market failed to give us a bounce back from this level, from this point. Maybe from here we can be seeing a continuation to the upside, but the market didn't really give us that formation. But instead, the market broke below this level to contest the formation of our trend line. But reasons may be that because of the nature of the crash market, we didn't really get the perfect bounce off this level. Like the market crashed forcefully to the downside. Remember, on crash markets, the market crashes, like market drops in spikes and moves in drops. So at this point, I think that the nature of the market made the market not to bounce off from this zone. So why did the market bounce off this level basically? So using our fib retracement level, the lows of this point to the highs, you can see that the market actually bounced off or retraced or started retracing from the 61.8 level, basically the 50.0. like this perfectly, this is 1.8 retracement level. So you can see that the market is retracing from this zone. I actually said that maybe the market wants to give us a low, like a retracement zone from this point, to give us a proper formation of this our trend line that is about to form up. So we got into the trade at that point, as we saw the market matching up with our retracement point in the market, our retracement level. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame basically. So on the 4 hour time frame, how do we get into this trade? Like, why did we buy at this zone? Why did we buy at this point and on the 4 hour time frame? So you can clearly see that on the 4 hour time frame, the markets have already started creating the higher highs and higher lows, like we saw on the daily time frame, but it's clearly seen on the 4 hour time frame right now. The markets created a high here, a higher high, a low here, a higher low, and we matched up our fib retracement level from the lows of the market to the highs, and we can see that the market retraced exactly at the 61.8 level, which is at this point. You can see the market gave us a drop to this zone and started retracing from this point to the upside. So then the question is, why did we buy from here? Why didn't we buy from this zone? Why didn't we buy from this zone? Why did we now buy from this zone? So we waited for confirmations in the market. Like, we can buy from this zone now and the market may drop further, but instead we waited for confirmations, like more formations in the market for us to get in. So moving to the 30 minutes time, we can clearly see that the market is already forming up this uptrend, these higher highs and higher lows. So we can see the low here, another higher low, and basically we are getting another higher low, like on this our trend line support and matching up with our trend resistance as well. At this point, you can see that we are getting higher highs and higher. Yes, we are getting higher highs formation. So you can see there's a high here, another high here, higher high, and another higher high basically. You guys were wondering why this lemon box is at this zone. Okay, basically I matched up my fib retracement level from this our low to the highs of this market back, and perfectly we are getting 81.8 bounce off this zone. I waited for 2 candlestick week push from this our retracement level that's matching up with our trend line support as well. So we got the 61.8 market bounce off, and I got into this trade on the closure of this bullish engulfing candle. Let's zoom in so you can clearly see the market formation at that zone. So on the 13-minute time frame, so you can see that the market gave us this formation, this particular candlestick week from this level. The market bounced off this level, and you can see this bullish engulfing candle on the 30-minute time frame, and further the market is pushing to the upside from this zone. As we have gotten some confluences, the market is following up with, so we could possibly see the market bounce off this level, give us a continuation to the upside. So that's how I was able to take the buys, and you can possibly see the market break off this level to give us a test of this our zone on the 30-minute time frame. Like, this is our next possible level of support, level of resistance, sorry. So at this point, I think there's a resistance, like there's a gap the market needs to fill up. This particular space, the market needs to fill up this gap with this move we are getting at this point, and everything is matching up, everything is aligning. Our higher time frame uptrend, our 30-minute time frame uptrend, and all of that. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take the buys on crash funding index. So hope you guys understood my analysis, and hope you guys will apply this on your own trading strategy, on your own trading market approach. So thank you guys for staying through to the end of the video. So to my new viewers, you guys should do it to subscribe, and please, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button for me. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate you guys. I really see what you guys are doing, the support. Let's keep doing what we do, guys, and do a wonderful day. Peace out.